seconds on time to get closer to a national record and possibly a medal hope at the Commonwealth Games. Looks like a tough ask, but she'll be happy with the performance out at the lovely facility at this brand new pool that's been built specially for that showcase event coming up in October. Meanwhile, it's time for the boys to get into business. It's called the 200-meter individual medley for men, but they look like young boys out there in the middle. Rahul Chokshi from Gujarat was the man out on your screen, on the far corner, top of your screens in lane 1. Aditya Sangwekar from Railway Sports Promotion Board in lane 2. Gopinath Kyle in lane 3. Jay Agnishwar in lane 4. CG Gautam in lane 5. CG Gautam, and then lane 6 is Devesh from Delhi. CH Vinay Krishnan from Dhulis in lane 7, and lane 8 is Supriya Munda. On your screens is Devesh from Delhi in lane 6. In lane 7 is CH Vinay Krishnan. Nice tattoo on the left shoulder. And he looks like a young lad out there amongst a host of men. From Bengal, Supriya Mondal. So another young representation from Bengal. Arjun, are you going to talk his chances up, or are you looking forward to a very keenly contested race? Mind you, it's an individual medley, so you'll have all 4 styles on display here.
Well, Anand, there are quite a few representations from Tamil Nadu as well. And I'm sure the boys from the southern states have something to say about this event as they get ready on the starting blocks. But really the difference between the boys and the men would certainly come into focus in terms of the reach and style. And as Anand just mentioned, it is the butterfly to start with. And really you can see the effort by the participants there, and it's the long reach of the swimmers that counts a great deal in this particular style.
Absolutely. We start with the butterfly, move on to the back, followed by the breaststroke, and finally finish with the freestyle. And right now the action is in 7 with CH Vinay Krishnan of the police starting way ahead, grabbing the early lead with his very long strides from the butterfly stroke. But then now the lane number 4 is catching up really fast. Jay Agnishwar from Tamil Nadu, followed by lane 5 CG Gautam, also putting in a challenge there. He's currently in 3rd place. No, he's just been pipped by lane 3, that is Gopinath Kyle from Bengal. So this is a very keenly contested race. Smita, इस रेस को में भी वही भिड़ंत हमें देखने मिल रही है जो महिलाओं में हमें देखने मिल रही है।
लेकिन भिड़ंत में महिलाओं को कोई जवाब नहीं है। इस समय जय अग्निश्वर जो चौथी लेन में चल रहे हैं। जय अग्निश्वर जिन्होंने यूथ कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में भी काफ़ी पदक उन्होंने हासिल किए थे, काफ़ी बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस किया था। इस समय चौथी लेन में वो सबसे आगे अपनी बढ़त बनाए हुए, जबकि इसका राष्ट्रीय रिकॉर्ड रेहान पोंचा के नाम पर कर्नाटका के, जिन्होंने 2 मिनट 5.89 सेकंड का समय निकाला। देखना यह है कि यह रिकॉर्ड ध्वस्त हो पाता है, जबकि इस समय आखिरी लैप चल रहा है फ्री स्टाइल का। और लेन नंबर 4 में जय अग्निश्वर अपनी प्रतिष्ठा के अनुरूप बहुत लगभग 15 से 20 मीटर की उन्होंने बढ़त बना ली है। लेन नंबर 5 में सीजे गौतम तमिलनाडु के दूसरे स्थान पर चल रहे हैं, जबकि लेन नंबर 7 में विनय कृष्णन पुलिस के तीसरे स्थान के लिए, जबकि लेन नंबर 3 और 2 के तैराक यानी भी बेहतर परफॉर्मेंस कर रहे हैं।
What a finish by Agnishwar. The butterfly looks his weakest, and that's what they started with. But from the back into the breast and finally into the freestyle, Agnishwar really pulled the thrust on. His engines becoming stronger as they warmed up with each passing lap, and finally finishing with more than half a pool's distance from second place. So he'll be very happy. So boy from Tamil Nadu doing very well out in the pool. Jay Agnishwar, like Asmita said, did well at the Commonwealth Youth Games, won a few medals there also, and he'll be happy to take this performance by more than half a pool's length. You see, there's nobody in the in vision as he puts his hand and slaps the touchpad. So Jay Agnishwar on your screen, finishing with a time of 2 minutes 11 seconds, 11.57 seconds. So pretty short of the national mark. Finishing second was CG Gautam again from Tamil Nadu with a time of 2 minutes 21.35 seconds. And number 3 was CH Vinay Krishnan of the police, who had the early lead but then lost out in the breaststroke and in the backstroke, lost out on time there, gained sufficient ground in the final lap of the freestyle to finish at 2 minutes 21.99. So almost a photo finish between second and third place, but a clear winner by more than 10 seconds was Jay Agnishwar. Meanwhile, we've got the swimmers lining up for the next event.